Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. KSU commemorates 36th death anniversary of Peit Wycliffe's aim. West Khasi Hills Police commemorate martyrs on Police Commemoration Day. Umsning residents protest excessive power outages. And residents protest exclusion from public hearing on cement mine in Jail. And now the news in detail. On October 21st, the Khasi Students' Union KSU commemorated the 36th death anniversary of Peit Wycliffe's aim by laying a wreath at his memorial statue near Port Jaud along the Noston Sopian Road. The ceremony began with a minute's silence in honor of Aim's contributions. KSU President Lambok Starwell Marngar remarked that great men never die but live from one generation to another, highlighting Aim's enduring legacy. The meeting was conducted by General Secretary Franklin Jong and attended by KSU leaders, members from various districts and different units, reinforcing their commitment to uphold Aim's ideals and vision for the Khasi community.
Samla General Secretary jong KSU is Jaintia Hill District. Bangihap ban syong nok nehap ban mi nok na KSU. Ada kemau tang kawai kanung rem kam de ban mi nangi wei lanu. Us Wycliffe Samla dan su ane kendo ka siap jong beri nyu terap. Rodon syawai pak kari hakis post nam gimon suang. Samla dan su ane ka sla jong partai. Ada kamen siam bat kelinti bat kejingi kai jung u im pateng la pateng. Dehelo kata ka benta ngasoong bakilu sulur kim juyap er gijuim na kawai ka pateng syawai pat pateng. Kata ka jai kajat bentu nyu terap ka buju sai kum kita. Ni ju perto ya ka menor pelasai kum kiri kin ngelam. Pelasai kum kiri kelawat. Kajing kali hatongi kum kisamla ngine ayu hagnek pateng nam ta jing sungau jong sok cengan jong gari ba kajat bentu koi. Kata ka jing kali angin puson angin klathia kladem ya ka ba ngila ya ka ba nang penting kena banjanai ya kumnu bangin trai ya kumnu bangin kata kumnu bangin kit kumnu bangin ba nam ta ka jingbet jingbiang jong gari ba kajat bentu koi. Hukum kene ka segi dengan syam kum ki Samla kam tam dekat pura jo ki isu jing tunju hak jing ya tiba fair kin sno ba jing im nam ta ban kit ban ba ya gari ba kajat bentu koi. Hari to syam pat kita jing e to pelong pat iki kum ki maupun ya pinjam nak kawai ke segi syakawai ke segi nak kawai ke samoi terkam syakawai pat ke samoi terkam nam ta bangila banyasya banen lede bat katong galong kajongi galong tang bangin yoi pakajat bedu jungi kam le bandai hakti junur kam tam juginu wei baap kamang kuno pan panjat panpra ya gari pakajat bedu wei pidang saki hai kendiat benai kas lawan kas kom pakat pedany nasyaritor ban muslia ya kriti gidustur ban muslia tomlong koman kajengit tanra jong Khasi ban muslia ro ba takabam kombam komem jungi kom kipat nyutrap baik benia ikini kiki idak kishin dilong bama hadu kata lada ngingim sotu lada ngingim kala tiak ladem nam taban pan tikna bagi borna subar jemdai pan madan ya ka hok bat ya ikhtiar jong gari ba kajat berwai kata kada syong haki Samla ka syong haki long kemi ka syong ki darbar syong ka syong ki it ki hima bat ka syong wei pa wei utkhat jong jat benriu along kentai na senrang yak bangila berpet kena bagi borna subar nyam dai ba elat horkit hodang bakin yurat bakin tombor ya kari bat kejat bereu kowe akal ku kedok yingi ipi wei puai kam tam jadi khot jom jat benriu ikisnat terkam per juga seng yak mengelak pen telun yang terikam jungi hanti ke badai hanti ke basai bat nginam snap jing sawok nginam snap jing saban ni dai katong ke jungi galong bakin ye kawe ya kalama jung jing le nam tapalim ya kari bat kejat bereu kowe jadi klan no jungi.
October 21st, the Police Department of West Khasi Hills District observed Police Commemoration Day to honor the bravery of fallen officers. The ceremony took place at the office of the Superintendent of Police, featuring prominent attendees including SP Bikram D. Marak and Commandant Rupam R. Marak. The event began with a 2-minute silence to remember the sacrifices made by police personnel. Chief police officers laid wreaths at a memorial, paying tribute to those who lost their lives in the line of duty. The ceremony concluded with a commemoration parade attended by the relatives of the martyrs, reinforcing the community's respect and gratitude for their service.
Head Constable G. Narendra, Constable Billy Ganesh. From Arunachal Pradesh, Inspector Sochi Don, Constable Pasang Dondu. From Assam, Havildar Biman Pukan, Lance Naik Kartik Bech Barua, Kanak Sarania, UB Lance Naik Abdul Rajak Sarkar, Constable Mintu Roy, and Adib Langtangsa. From Bihar, Sub-Inspector Satiba Kumari, Rambajan Singh, Kamas Chaudhary, Prabhat Ranjan. Assistant Sub-Inspector Vijay Kumar Chauhan, Devnath Ram. Havaldar Narendra Kumar Singh, Ramdev Yadav. Constable Amita Bachan, Ashok Kumar Urap, Pawan Kumar Mahato, Digvijay Kumar, Sudhir Kumar, Deepak Kumar Singh, Vijay Kumar. And from Chhattisgarh, Company Commander Tijauram Buari, Head Constable Sodi Laksaman, Arvind Eka, Ram Ashish Yadav, Constable Ramesh Koreti, Kamlesh Kumar Sadhu, Nitesh Eka, Bharatlal Sahu, Sater Singh, Jograj Khanma.
We Aizat Maral, ABS, SDPO of Makido, thank you, and I would like to call
On 21st of October, residents of Umsning in Maukanrao CNRD block along with FKJGP Maukanrao circle leaders met with the executive engineer of MEECL to voice concerns over persistent power outages lasting 5 months. A village leader expressed frustration, stating that despite notifying the local MLA, only empty promises have been made. FKJGP Maukanrao Circle, led by S. Mansong, organized the meeting to demand action. In response, the engineer assured residents that new power posts would be installed within 2 days, aiming to resolve the ongoing electricity issues in the area.
Engineer ulah ai bu no mata sini tangtai dengan kermen kin benyo itu terus mar wan olah step la sini
makana nakai kata ba ulang tang sini asni nakai kata khambong kata ne nakai ka jing nakaliang ju ubo tip ne nakai khambong re
tip re musu wan khat mata te musu nakaliang jung itu pak menyerap lo tip re tharai sia tharai tip re Masnung mangi kindit man dek tu engineer.
Lah mangi pula san ni amal ia cumi ka.
Mangi ban la ya pun ni la ya. Lek ndu si yang amal ia ro. Yang amal ia kilong toto yang sa. Poi toton smart. Adu arbna le benar poi toton smart. Memang sen ni cawan. Pak wan yarap ni.
Gangi pun yang amal ia ro tentang musim.
Bun musim ni ra. Bun kong mata.
Musim kong.
Bakam duk seliam. Em labun sin. Meswa nak terkewe ga dong basharumong. Ya bakam simpor hai tang ba. Karena dong bay siomongi dan matagin. Sim matagin mula. Aduh. San benai ru benai.
Ông bây giờ chấm nhẹ hay mà ta mà đi xe ngang là nó thì bà xong là rung.
Lah on batai gi kan.
Lo haka kani katar sumaran bo ndu hak bo umsning blok mogoro.
Pentala ka do menai pi ang kala do.
Kalau na adu benai basan. Adu benai sipok. Benai basan kelawan du benai basan tau lawan makin ha benai pra tai sini kalau du biang tu tersemar bu. Cuman bu du sini. Maka jinglah ya like dan office ngila peti SDU ngila like semua meli gilong potong satuan tong setik adu mata ngilai pun kedua orang to susi singi susi tayo tajin sud par hadu ne ba tengi bangser bon wat nyerap men begini don giseng ha sinong ne wat nyerapin nungga ini presiden nyawat
Fitri mangkano sapir iwan idon gi negi sinong umsning bat sinong pasang iwan kapad yang kasang na bentau niu customer ubala dua apa umsning ula batie ro na benta jong niu pos wala sarang apa umsam tena kaling kasinong umsam kala ai kala ka application hani apa office kala don menta sistem kala don hi na kaling kasinong angkat bat ngang iwan lang hakatu kopor tekawan ai da application jongka sinong hadin tu kim kani office pat kim simkia.
In a contentious public hearing held on October 18th regarding the proposed cement mine by MS Megatop Cement, residents of Wayajar Narpo in East Jaintia Hills district expressed their frustration over the exclusion of Sengbhalang members and local women from the Village Defence Party VDP. The Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board conducted the meeting despite complaints lodged by donbosco, president of the local community, with several state agencies including the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission and the Director General of Police. The Khar stated that the absence of women in the VDP was a significant issue and the village authorities failed to ensure their participation in the public hearing process. He accused the officials of allowing outsiders to dominate the meeting, undermining the voices of local villagers. The complaints filed also criticized the Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police of East Jaintia Hills for their perceived inaction regarding community grievances. Community leaders are demanding accountability from higher state authorities, urging that appropriate measures be taken against district officials who failed to facilitate a fair public hearing, emphasizing the importance of local voices in decisions affecting their land and livelihoods.
FIR, but the school to complain which is CS. Kawai ngilik bu habayade bayadon ko but human rights na bu ko MSRC ko chairperson. Te kawai ngila bu FIR percaya DC SP di kirang ba snong bat ya ka Megatop Sem hi kumju. Dekat FIR percaya gitu bagi ailat dan dia ban bu benda hang tu ka shop rung hapo kata snong wa ijar Jaintia Hills habadon group public hearing. Te kabalai ngi wan bu ka torkas dan dikata ka jing ujor ko komplain percaya DC SP bagi la fil ban follow up ka duty ke jongki kumki administration bat ke ujor persaru ya ka MSPCB habia de ngan stang swa hak baya dei bat ka Human Rights Commission te kumba pilai hi boleh haban ujor ka dei ka suppress ya kata ka freedom of speech and expression jongki nong snong hak tu pendai tang kata ngila lap hiru ba u rangba snong ula pun kenya ka sanat kat kum ka ain laipuar act jongka JHDC kabla keren saya bendai banyu Shillong na nyon ben na sya Shillong hi nong tu ke hak tu kesngi hi ke badon public hearing tu hi majority ke dei gibreu pemeraba bendai nong namar ki nong madu men step marngi la samit lupa hang tai kila don bat ni kila si kila batai kila peniru ini yang kita ke jing ko jongki But how let's say haganik FIR nakal liang jong DC lan SP jong HNT Hills kila ben tap email do baki kin om baki BDP tengin dala check bahakat kum ka Meghalaya Police Act har hajar katboy nila lap ba ka section rupuin rupuar pan rupulai kala keren sai ba kiwalan ta hang to ki yulathiru nimji thala bandra tenre gitu gibrunto kila de ki hayar gunda tengi kermen ru ba hagani ka FIR kumba pilatit mo ka jaj benrio kasi ka dei ka ba ni ai jaj na kami but kawai ru kalyang.
On October 21st, Panyat Singh Same, Chief Executive Member of KHADC, inaugurated an exhibition showcasing the post office's first ever stamp issue at the State Convention Centre in Shillong. In his speech, Same expressed pride in the release of the first day cover stamp featuring the KHADC displayed in Hindi, English and Khasi. He emphasized that this initiative enhances the KHADC's reputation across India. The launch ceremony was attended by several dignitaries, including Ainong Rang, DGP, Bat Lamprang Bla, Chairman of KHADC, along with the Chief Postmaster General of the Northeast Circle. The event marks a significant step in promoting local identity through postal services.
Philatelic exhibition Arhajar Akusau Lakmek Daga Post Office Division Shillong Harikat ka Bat Kejurban Peit Jong Post Master General Jong Northeast Circle Hakabide Bat Kenikajing Peni Baik Ikini stamps di poster Bapher Kibana du kipor kiba kamen shua but hadu kiniki por kiba mata kidon ki stamps but ki posters na post office kiba day hapo jongkari India na ki streets na ki jilla bapher por India kidon kiniki stamps ki post kiba day na shabal jongkari India kumna Bhutan but kiwi ki jaga te kei ka ba penlongkong san ini nenta kasmi hanne kadai halor ka jingyo bandrung ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council hapo kani ka re India haka postal re India haka bidei bat kani ka special cover laprin kumbaar hajar beli bat kawai na kata special cover kabla assignment ne da General Post Master General Jumpa Northeast Circle bat nakaliang jumat bat ia kani pansabha ia kani ka special cover kawai ka bani sign in original pansabha siya National Museum Delhi kini kibabon pak kini special cover nakaliang ka post office kinsa ay yang hidup katu kan hispa ini bangin la bande nang tai nakamta kinu kishiti kiba ngin ha mangi lani mano ki members of the embassy ni ki ni ki officers ni wat ka office su kadan kam ha chiti la bande le ni ka special cover ka chumi ka kani ka te ka achievement ni ka jingjok ka chumi ha ka sinjam jong ka jingya nanti ha ka wei pat ka benta namar ba dah ka bangiyo ikan ka special cover misuku pa kari India baru kawai haka post office lala itu yang ini de kawai kata pat kabaan pat ba hadian habot nama kani ka special cover la shon ya ka la ni la print ya ka tang shisian mula ban print ASEAN de kamut hadian khatsan arpusnem kani ka special cover ka jongi kan long very limited lani kan duna abhai sisian baka duna kani special cover teng kan sadan ka demand na kiwi ki jaka but sing babun ka demand ka doh jong ne special cover ka keu kuman shuan sa let's say kan poi ka por let's say hadian san chipo khatsan.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.